All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I got the CASETiFY case lineup here for my iPhone 17 Pro. So I got the bounce case, impact case, their new Glaze cases, have some cool accessories that they were kind enough to send out that I can show off in this video. So if you're interested in scooping up anything that I show you in this video today, then you can go to casetify.com/Roy Flores and get 15% off. And there's also a QR code that you'll see on the screen that you can scan as well if you want to. So with all that being said, let's jump into what case I have on currently. All right, so let's start with the case that was already installed on my phone, which is the Impact Ringstand case. Really a big fan of these cases because I like that it shows off the deep blue color, but I also like that we do get a ring stand on here that I can use as a kickstand and can go either direction depending on what angle I want to go with my phone. Has MagSafe capabilities, which is great. One thing I really like about this case too is that you are getting at least 3 times military standard drop protection. So it's gonna be able to survive about 2 meters or 6.6 feet. But I like the gumminess of the sides and gives it that darker tint and that speckled kind of black color as well, which I've always been a fan of. Pretty slim considering what it is, but this camera bump does stick out quite a bit since it is a kickstand as well. So just something to think about. But all in all, very, very good construction. And I like that it has a built-in camera control button that's integrated into the case, and it actually works really well, which is really cool. But to talk about that, I'm going to pop this off real quick. So one, I'll show you how easy it is to take off. But something that I thought was really cool is that the camera control button actually can pop out, which is kind of something I've never seen before. So I'm going to see if I can do it. There we go. So there it is. It pops right out, and now you have the button exposed if you want. But out of all the case reviews that I've done, I haven't come across one yet where the button can be removable. So I thought that was kind of interesting, and then it pops right back in, and there you go. Now it's a smooth case, so it looks like a traditional case instead of having like an indentation in it. So kudos to CASETiFY for doing that. I thought that was kind of cool. But there is the Impact Ringstand case. Let's jump over to the next one. All right, so these two cases are their new Glaze cases. So you're getting about 5 feet of drop protection with them, so they're not as rugged. Kind of has the feel of an impact case because, you know, you got the matted finish and of course MagSafe inside. The biggest difference is it's kind of like a scratch and pill resistance. So it's like a glossy scratch resistant backplate, which is really nice, but it has this new inner printing method that they do, which it never will fade or pill off or rub off or anything like that. And you don't even feel it. It's very smooth. I'm going to slap this one on real quick because I kind of am digging the goat one, right? Looks kind of cool. But you do have some strap holes there if you want to add, you know, phone charms and things like that they do on their website. Raised buttons, all that good stuff. Very clicky buttons as well. Do have that camera control button like I just showed you in the other phone case. And the camera bump for the plateau is actually much, much smaller compared to the Impact Ringstand case, as you can tell there. But there is the GOAT one, and then I can pop this one off real quick. And I'll show you this burst squiggly one that they call, and that's the look of that one. So just showing you that real quick installed. So let's go over to the next case. All right, so this is just their more traditional impact case, kind of the OG case, if you will. Has MagSafe capabilities. This print's called the Highway 404. So I just kind of wanted to show it to you real quick. Now with the impact case, you're gonna get around 8-ish feet of drop protection. So that's about 4 times military standard, which is awesome. And then I like the slim design. I like that it once again has tactile buttons. Does have a little bit of a lift there for the camera ring there, the plateau for it, camera control buttons. And another thing that it has, which I actually am really digging is, and I'm gonna grab this one to show you a little bit more, is there's a couple of new things with their phone cases and the construction of them. So number one is they have this new thing called Duo Lock, which is kind of like a rivet like bond that physically actually like fuses the soft bumper and the hard backplate. So it really helps with the bonding of that and gives it a really, really nice, just hardcore feel. And then I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but yeah, I think you can, like the little ribbed pattern inside there. So that's their Eco Shock. So it's like a twisted pattern design that gives like cushioning and disperses the energy away from the phone in the event of a drop. And so just wanted to show that off because that's just something that impact cases have. As you can see in here, if I zoom in, you can see it right there and it says Eco Shock. So like I said, it's gonna have that. It's gonna give you really, really good drop protection. And one thing that I really like too about these CASETiFY cases now is that they've just really reinforced the quality. And so it just falls right back into form. So, I mean, I'm literally pulling as hard as I can there and it just pops right back into place. So I talked about that in a video earlier in the year and really, really like the quality of this here. So let's go over to the next one. And this hardcore bad boy is the bounce case. So if you know anything about CASEIFY cases, they do make some wild ones out there and obviously with some print as well. So this one's actually called their wash label, which if you zoom in, you can see it looks like a wash label, right? Machine wash cold, dry cleanable, do not bleach, iron low, heat, drip dry, all that fun stuff. So just gives you some different customization, and obviously you can just get lost on CASEIFY's website with all the different prints that they have. And I mean, literally there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them that you can find. Now with the bounce case, you're getting 7 times military standard drop protection, which is roughly around 21 feet. So that's just insane. This thing is gonna just literally be like a pillow on your phone. Now, one of the new things that they've done is they've updated the corners here. So now this is a new like multifunctional bounce corner. So they basically have updated it to be compatible with charm keychains or rope crossbody straps and all that good stuff. So it's not only giving you better drop protection, but now it has the openings there like that where you can use some of their fun accessories that they have. Same thing with the lifted camera ring, as you can see there. And then, as I mentioned, the duo lock that they have, and then just the ruggedness of it. Like I said, I mean, it's just gonna really give your phone a really good just drop protection. So if you ever drop it, God forbid, it's not gonna just be something instantly that you're cringing about. So this is also a bounce case, but this is just to kind of give you an idea of the blank slate that you can start with on a CASETiFY case, but then you can go online and fully customize these cases, put your initials, your name, all that fun stuff. I mean, literally, I really like the customization that you can do with cases from CASETiFY. So you can, like I said, go to the website as I'm showing you here on the screen, and you can literally just go and add all kinds of fun things to it and really make it your own. So just wanted to point that out with this one, because like I said, this is just a black plain Jane like blank slate, and then you can just really go crazy with it. All right, guys, and last but not least, I wanted to show you all this right here. So I did a very similar test when I was doing the iPhone 16 Pro case reviews, and this is actually an iPhone 16 Pro case, because at the time when CASETiFY sent out everything, they didn't have their clear cases quite ready for the 17 Pro, but it's identical. But with this test, I wanted to show you anti-staining capabilities of their clear cases. When I did this test, it actually beat the genuine Apple case big time, because I've had this sitting in this red wine for a good solid couple of hours now, and you can kind of see that you can definitely tell there's a line where the red wine has been, but just by simply cleaning it with water and no other chemicals, which I'm going to grab a water bottle real quick, I can literally just kind of rinse off the wine. And then what I can do is just use just kind of like a normal cloth, a little microfiber cloth that I use for cleaning screens and stuff like that. And literally you can see that there is no staining. And like I said, it's been sitting in this red wine for hours. And so for it to just really look brand new sitting in wine like that, that's insane. So like I said, I just wanted to show you that stain test, because red wine is definitely no fan of clear cases, but that just shows you the anti-staining capabilities. You're not going to get any yellowing or anything like that. And, you know, if you happen to randomly drop it in red wine, then you're good to go. So now let's go ahead and check out some of the accessories. So this is going to be their impact camera lens protectors. Should be a fairly straightforward process. Removing the back here, over, push firmly as it instructs, and then remove. And that is all she wrote. So there's a look, and looks pretty good. So not too shabby. So on to the next thing. All right, so next is going to be the Impact HD screen protector here. So this is for the 17 Pro. I still have one of these on my S25. Now I'm going to insert the phone. I'm going to do this. So number one, peel the tab. Number two, do the whole finger thing. Let it sit for a sec. And then peel this up. And voila. Now I'm going to use the provided squeegee that they gave so I can get the little air bubbles out. All right, and there is the final product installed. So as you can see here, has a very full screen type of protection there. So not one portion of the screen is exposed. CASETiFY branding on the corners feels very smooth and responsive. The clarity of the screen looks really good as well. So really digging the look of it. But yeah, there is the Impact HD screen protector. So not a bad little accessory if you're looking for a tempered glass to go on your new 17 Pro. All right, so next we have the Snappy wallet. It's a MagSafe wallet here. And then we also have the Snappy card holder stand that also has the MagSafe capabilities. Now, as you can tell with this one, this is a customized one that they were kind enough to send with my initials on it. And as you can see, it is extremely reflective, but if you slap it on the back, then you can kind of see how it fits on there and looks pretty cool in my opinion. You can, use it as a kickstand, which is really nice. So you can do portrait or landscape. And then you can also put cards in there. So if I take it off, you can insert cards. So that's number one there. And then number two is going to be the Snappy MagSafe wallet. Now this one definitely has a much sophisticated look in my opinion. I think it looks really nice. Very slim design as you can tell there, and has a really nice grip to the back here. So like if it's on my desk, like I feel like some resistance there. But yeah, so if you're, looking for card holder or a little wallet that you can put on the back, or a little kickstand that you can do with this, these are some really cool accessories, but once again customizable and adding your initials and stuff like that. So very, very cool. And then last but not least, we have the crossbody rope strap here. Now this one is in the heather gray color, which is pretty dang nice. It's if you're looking for some sort of strap to go across your body and use it for your phone or whatever you might want to use it for, this is kind of cool. And then if you notice here, it comes with a strap card, which you can actually insert it inside of your phone case, which I'll show you real quick on the Impact Ringstand case here. Put this through the actual portion of where your USB-C charging port is, and then slap the phone back on. Now this is sticking out, so then you can actually adhere it to stuff like this, where now you have a complete phone that will not fall off of this. So if you put this across your body, double strapping it if you wanted to, and now you can just put it around your arm. But as you can see, it's protected. And I'll actually wear it real quick so you can see what it looks like. So as you can see, you can just kind of put it across your body and kind of have the phone dangling to the side, and it's not going to go anywhere. So as I'm tugging on it, you just notice that it won't go, and so it makes it really nice. And then if you notice, you can see, looks kind of cool if you have the clear case, so you can kind of see the strap card there as well, which is kind of cool. But yeah, you know, if you're looking for something like this is a really nice heavy duty, nice feeling material here, very cushiony as well. So, you know, I could definitely see a lot of use cases for this. Heck, even if you had, you know, like some sort of loop or something on like a camera, then this could be a good like camera strap even maybe, or something like that. So yeah, so definitely digging that. And yeah, let's wrap it up. So there we have it, guys. There is the CASETiFY lineup, and once again, big thank you and shout out to them for sending these out for review. So as I mentioned, you can scan the QR code or follow the links that I'll put down in the description. But if you visit casetify.com/Roy Flores, as I mentioned, you'll get 15% off your purchases, and you'll see all the cases that I've talked about here and all the straps, everything. And so, like I said, anything you want to scoop up, feel free to do so. And yeah, we'll go from there. So big thanks again, once again, to CASETiFY. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.